may we ask for your comment po sa sinabi ni Senator Nancy that you are very qualified as a senator po?
Comment? Thank you. What comment do you want? I mean, maybe you have to ask her, why am I qualified? 'Di ba? Parang hirap naman magbuhat ng sariling bangko. Pero it's still for me nerve-wracking to run for a national position. Di ko alam kung mentally I'm ready to run for a position that is national kasi I prefer to be very private, but that's not going to happen. In 2010 and 2013, my father offered that I run for the Senate and I declined. Simply because I valued my privacy. I didn't, alam niyo yun, yung you live under a microscope, tapos may social media pa, may bullying pa, alam mo yun, parang hindi pa ako ready at that time. So that's the reason why it took me several years to decide to say na, o sige na nga, let's run for the Senate.